Diba? So, limited genetic information can mas stronger, mas stable na siya. That can be answered when you have genetics. I cannot predict that question here because that is unrelated. Okay? But I am just giving you an answer that layman's can understand. Okay? Katulad, the more, the stronger. The more, the merrier. Diba? Kaya mas may dali, mas kuan, diba? Mas maayong ang mas stable siya, mas limited na siya as one. Okay, so any question on this one? Okay, this time let's move on to the classification. Actually, I have already discussed this one, no? When I discussed about hemoglobin. If it is purely made up of amino acid, you call it a simple protein. Okay, a simple protein just like keratin, collagen, albumin, globulin, chromatin, and histone. Okay. Complex. Kanapit ang nasagulan na amino acid plus alien. Ha? Nasagulan. Myoglobin ay heme. Hemoglobin na po yung heme. It's not purely amino acid. It is classified as conjugated or complex protein. Iba sa Golgi apparatus, dito man package, right? So now the protein. Dumagan na itong lipid. That is in the Golgi apparatus. You know for lipolipid. Is it a pure amino acid? No. It has already lipid. Another one. If you have a long chain of protein, dumagan na itong gamay na carbohydrates. It's now glycoprotein. But now the protein, ikabit na to sa mas taas na carbohydrates. It's now phosphoglycans. We'll have that one, we'll have carbohydrates. And you have also flavinucleotides attached to a protein. You have flavoprotein. Basta lang hindi siya purely amino acid. So we have here examples of a conjugated protein. Did you get it? Okay. So this time, let's discuss on protein classification based on the shape and conformation. So you could have fibrous or globular. Fibrous. Ang fibrous ganyan, usog na sa secondary structure. Okay. Secondary structure, hydrogen bonds. So, ang iyang interaction is, ang stronger interaction niya, hydrogen bond, is within the polypeptide. Okay. Ang iyang interaction dali sa kilid, ang R groups niya, is more on non-polar. Did you get it? It's more on a non-polar. So, kung naka-strand here, kay alkylates, daghang non-polar. Di ba ang non-polar ma-interact? So, ang non-polar mag-anak siya. Dito. Ganit ba na ito? Dira kong busy? Di ba? And because ngayon mo na siyang compact, then ang R groups pa niya, ang niyang R groups are non-polar, really dissoluble in water. Generally, secondary, this fibrous protein has secondary structure and it is so rigid and it is insoluble in water. So, usually they have simple, regular, and linear structure. And because it is live-on, strong na siya, kaya dami ng likos-likos, it is more on structural functions. So what are these structural functions? Diba? Keratin, collagen, so on and so forth. So ang keratin, these are alpha keratin. We have two types of keratin.